Okay, folks, we're just going to go through this rather quickly. It's the same that we've been doing the last couple of days. Hopefully, by now, you're feeling a little bit more confident. If not, then when you come back, we need to sit down and kind of go through this together. Okay, right, which place to use when comparing the numbers. So we know that we can look at the differences between numbers to help us decide if something's greater than, smaller than, or equal to. So remember, the first thing that I need to do is take these two numbers and I need to stack them. 5,432, and I'm going to stack 5,256. Now, folks, this is going to be a requirement that you stack them. Like when you take the quiz, you will get points for stacking them. You will get a point for your top number and then another point for your bottom number. Okay, this is very important right now. It might seem silly because they're very small numbers, but as we start getting into more complex numbers and complex problems, you need to stack. All right, so I'm going to first look at my thousands place. So the same. When I look at my hundreds place, I can determine that they're different. So my answer would be hundreds. Okay. Now, something I want to point out is you've got to make sure that you actually write the word. Okay. If you write this, that is a value. That's not a place. Okay. Whenever you are writing places, you have to write the word. Okay. If I see this, I'll count it wrong. Okay. Now, our next one, we have 92,458 and 92,459. I'm going to look at my 10,000s, nope. 1,000s, nope. Hundreds, nope. Tens, nope. And look at that. My ones place is the determining one that I can look at to tell if something's greater than, less than, or equal. And once again, that would be wrong. That's a value. Okay. All right. Our second concept is our rounding. When we are looking at 4,890. I need to know what thousands is it in between. So I'm going to take the digit that's there, and that's going to be my first thousand, 4,000. And then the next thousand would be 5,000. Okay. Now, what would that round to? If I look at 4,890, I'm rounding the 4. Whoops, it's off the page. So I'm going to look at the number right behind it. My 8 is higher than 5, 6, 7. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And so that means that we're going to go up to 5,000. Okay, this reflection is important, folks, and some people are kind of missing the mark on this. When you are writing this reflection right here, this is about this problem right here, the rounding, or the comparing problem. Okay, it's not about anything else that we're doing. It is only about the problems on this page. Okay, so I might say, I am good at comparing because stacking numbers helps me to determine which place shows a difference. So all I'm doing is I am taking exactly what we are doing and I am telling, am I good at it? Am I not good at it? I do have a form for you when you come back that kind of has some sentence starters that all you have to do is pick one of those and then fill in the blanks. And that may help you with your student reflection a little bit more. Okay, let's flip it over and look at the back. We have 834,704 plus 160,194. Folks, several of you lost points because you did not write it vertically in your quiz on Friday. So you have to make sure that you take each number and you write it vertically. And I've even got the places right there for you. Okay. So when I do this, and I'm going to draw my line and it tells me I'm adding. So I'm going to add. writing this number correctly would be worth 1 point, and writing this number correctly in its places would be worth 1 point. So that's 2 points right there on a quiz, folks. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Let's put my comma in there. 994,899. All right, so I'm going to move over here. I'm going to write these out again. I need to write them vertically or stack them. And remember, I like to start from my ones place to make sure that my numbers line up correctly. What operation am I doing? I'm subtracting. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 112,321. I feel like you all are pretty good at those. It's just maybe remembering to write them vertically. All right, right here, once again, I'm having people forgetting to do this. This is very important. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And if you can't remember it, there's a song in your Math Google Classroom under the multiples. You can listen to those, but it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. All right, 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. 6 times 4 is 24. And 4 times 10 is 40. All righty. Over here, repeated subtraction. Okay, that's what I want to see. So if I go 100, I'm going to minus 20 until I can't subtract it anymore. 0 minus 0 is 0. I cannot do 0 minus 2, so I'm going to borrow. I now have 10 minus 2, which is 8. Minus 20. And I'm just going to keep going until I cannot take away 20 anymore. All right. I'm going to count how many times I subtracted 20. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the answer or our quotient is 5. Okay, and oops, sorry. Couldn't see that very well. All righty. Now this one right here, remember, that is not where you subtracted 20. That's the difference from when you took 40 minus 20. Okay, so be careful about that. All right, that's it for our spiral review. Hopefully that's getting easier for you as the week went on. If you have any questions, remember that you are always welcome to email me. So have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.